Hello students, welcome to NEET with Satya ma'am. Today let us see one must-do chapter for your NEET exams, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Why do I say this is must-do? Because every year you get one question from this chapter and sometimes 2 to 3 questions also. Let us see what areas to focus in this chapter. Once you are familiar with the general organic chemistry, that is basic principles of organic chemistry, it becomes easy for you to prepare the other parts of organic chemistry. So that way, once you complete your GOC, prepare your alcohol, phenols and ethers and then concentrate on your aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. You should be thorough with this nature of carbonyl group in this chapter. Other than that, the methods of preparation of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, you get questions from these methods of preparation of aldehydes frequently. Okay, so and sometimes from carboxylic acids also. So be thorough with these areas. Other than that, you should know the uses of all these areas and physical and chemical properties of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Questions generally are from the chemical properties of these elements. Okay, so you be thorough with these areas, you will be able to answer the questions. Let us see what questions were there over the last 3 years in this chapter. In the year 2018, you had 2 questions from this chapter. One was about boiling point. The question was to identify which has a higher boiling point. Either it is carboxylic acid or aldehydes, ketones or alcohol. That was the question about. Okay, and you have the contents in NCERT. So student perceived the question to be easy. Next question was about the molecular structure. Okay, so molecular structure was given and you were asked to find the structure of the compound. Okay, so it was little lengthy because you have to substitute the options and then find out the answer. So student perceived little moderate, okay, not too easy. You learn the concepts in NCERT, however, it is not a direct question. Okay, so it was perceived to be moderate since it's time consuming. In 2019, you had one question. It was about the product of the reaction from carboxylic acid. Okay, the major product from the reaction. So from the chapter of area of carboxylic acid. In 2020, you had 3 questions. One question is from about the preparation of aldehydes. It is from NCERT, but the compound is not as in NCERT. It is slightly different. Okay, you had a different compound in the question paper. And you had one question in from named reaction, that is from aldol condensation, and one question about preparation of aldehydes. There you were given the product and you have to identify which one reacts. Okay, so it is NCERT based question, so students felt it easy. And every year the questions were not difficult, even though we say that the concepts are same from NCERT, you should know how the questions are asked over the years. So this chapter requires little practice. Okay, and practice is every day prepare 10 to 20 questions for this chapter. You will be able to, you have to see, understand and then answer the question. Okay, this is what is required for this chapter. Prepare well and do well. Subscribe to my channel to have updates on important chapters or must do chapters you have to concentrate for your NEET exams. Thank you.